Hey everybody, today we're going to read and write Charlie Over the Ocean. If you are able to watch this video while you have this online tool open in a separate window, that's the way we would suggest you complete this activity. However, if you're limited in the number of windows you can have open, or if you need to just print and draw, you can do that. We'll have a template that you can download and print. If you don't have a printer, you can just draw 5 parallel lines and use a crayon or something to draw what we're about to show you. So the first thing that you need to know is that this little symbol right here is called a bracket or a do clef, and it tells us where do is. And for today, for Charlie Over the Ocean, we're going to put do on the second line. So sing Charlie Over the Ocean with me. Here we go. Charlie over the ocean, Charlie over the ocean, Charlie over the sea, Charlie over the sea. Charlie caught a big fish, Charlie caught a big fish, can't catch me, can't catch me. So because I want to write it down, I'm going to think about just the first section. So we're going to say that the first section sounds like this. Charlie over the ocean. Will you sing that with me? Here we go. Charlie over the ocean. And I notice that for the words Charlie over the, it stays on the same note. I can hear that my voice doesn't go up there and it doesn't go down. Well, I'm going to tell you that the first note of this song is do. So I'm going to put my do right there. And now all I have to do is figure out how many other times we say do. So let's sing it again. Charlie over the, Charlie over the. Yeah, so I'm going to need a few more. Let's see. Charlie over the, and then what happens? Ocean. My voice goes up. So I'm going to, but not by a lot. It doesn't have a leap. It just goes up a little bit. Ocean. So I could sing it this way. Charlie over the ocean. Or I could sing do, 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 re, mi. Can you sing it that way with me? Here we go. Do, 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 re, mi. All right. Now the next section of the song goes Charlie over the sea. Good, I'm glad you sang with me. Sing with me again. Charlie over the sea. Well, what I notice is that this part right here at the beginning, Charlie over the, is exactly the same. There's no change. But over here, there is a change because the note goes lower. And it goes Charlie over the sea. Do, 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 so. Sing do, 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 so. Your turn. Do, 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 so. Good. Now let's sing this part of the song. Charlie caught a big fish. Oh, that's different. I don't think I need that one. Charlie caught a, do I have enough? Charlie caught a big fish. Charlie caught a big fish. Do, 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 re, mi. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And then finally, can't catch me. Do, do, do. So that's how you write it. Now, I would like to show you something else, because this is not really the way that musicians write their music. So this is something that's going to be more traditional that you might have seen. So do you see how there's rhythm indicated and not just a bunch of dots? Here's some things you might see that you're wondering what they are. This is a treble clef. It's similar to a do clef, and it's telling us that do is on the second line today. This right here is called a sharp. It's not a hashtag, and it's actually a key signature. We'll talk more about those when you're in 4th and 5th grade. This right here is a meter signature, and it tells us how many beats are going to be in each measure and how long those beats are going to be. So in this case, there's 6 beats to a measure, and the 8th note gets the beat. Now, I would like to write down where the do's are. So I know because do is on the 2nd line that this is a do, 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 Charlie over the, and then we know, here's what I actually wrote though. I didn't write the whole song, I didn't do any repeats. So I wrote Charlie over the ocean, Charlie over the sea, Charlie caught a big fish, can't catch me. So if I put a red dot under all the notes that are on the 2nd line, those are all do's. That's a lot of do's. In fact, there's so many do's in this song, there's hardly anything else. So let's sing it using do, 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 re, mi. Here we go. Ready, sing with me. Do, 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 re, mi. Do, 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 so. Do, 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 re, mi. Do, do, do. Now where is re? That's right, re is on the 2nd space, just like it was on that other staff. And there's only 2 re's. There's this one and there's that one. And then there is a mi and a mi right here. And then finally, there is a loso. So everybody, if you notice when the notes go up and when the notes go down, then you are reading music, even if you don't know what they're all called. So I hope you enjoyed this look at Charlie Over the Ocean. Sing it one more time with me. But this time, put your finger on the notes. And we're going to read actually what's on this page. Here we go. Charlie over the ocean, Charlie over the sea. Charlie caught a big fish, can't catch me. Let's do it again. Put your finger on the notes. Ready, here we go. Charlie over the ocean, Charlie over the sea. Charlie caught a big fish, can't catch me. Now this time use do, re, mi, and so. Ready, here we go. Do, 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 re, mi. Do, 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 so. Do, 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 re, mi. Do, do, do. Good job, everybody. Have a good day. Bye.